At LSAME, we provide you with marketing videos about your type of business. Videos are branded with your business name, your logo, and contact information. We offer custom videos and we always offer guarantees on ranking. Contact us now to get your video like this today and your company name on the front page of Google tomorrow. When an error code pops up, you need an auto shop you can trust for your engine diagnostics. Choose a shop with excellent customer service, honesty, and integrity, one that stands behind their work. Support your local community by doing business with a neighborhood auto shop. By prioritizing these factors, you'll ensure your vehicle is in good hands, receiving top quality care and attention. Choose the best for your car's engine diagnostics. Choose a reputable local auto shop. Drive with confidence knowing your vehicle is in expert hands.